I was born on the run. My dad was a drifter. I must have gone to 30 different schools before I graduated from high school, from moving from place to place. I lived in California, Colorado, Missouri, Kansas, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Washington State, Nevada, Idaho, you name it, I've been there, at least west of the Mississippi. So, and I've been to Canada and I've been to Mexico, and I've, you know, after my third wife, I finally said I'm going somewhere else, and I ended up here. And I really can't tell you how that happened, because I don't know. It just did. I ended up here, and it's been about 10 years now, 7 years in Zagreb, and I'm a chiropractor, so I have a good job. I'm good at it, so I have a better job. And I love the wail. I love to sing the blues.
Girl Jane, why do you hold your head so high? Someday, baby, you're gonna lay down tonight. I'll lay her down with a golden chain. Every link I got my golden name. Girl Jane, why do you hold your head so high?
First person I heard on the radio was Hank Williams, and then along came Elvis Presley and a whole bunch of other people, Roy Orbison, and a whole bunch of people that I would try to sing like when I was 5, 6, 7. And nobody told me I couldn't sing, so I kept doing it. So wherever I've been a lot of places, wherever I've been, I've always managed to find a way to sing. It's my outlet. It's my primal scream, if you will. But the blues, in the past 10 or 15 years, more and more. I used to, when I was a teenager, I thought, well, the blues is for old people, I'll do that later. And sure enough, I'm doing it later, because I was a rocker for most of my life. I met Cool Shakes, Tom Benson, and Smahouse Brown, Stipe, and their boys, which are pretty much the same guys, Mario, Juvela, Krešo, Remush, and a few others. I met all of them the first week I arrived in Zagreb. So I've had a chance to exercise my lungs and my primal scream over the past 7 years with all of these guys. So I picked a few of these guys to put into my Backbone. And we wanted to do something a little more acoustic and a little less electric. So this album is all acoustic, and it's all pretty much classic blues except for the 3 that I wrote.
I don't want you to sweep my floor. I don't want you to leave my home. I don't want you to be sad and blue. I just want to make love to you.
This album was to do a demo to prepare us for the actual studio time in Lafayette. They're on hold now because this album actually became better than a demo, and obviously it's selected for the best self-produced CD for the Blues Challenge by the Croatian Blues Forces. So, okay, we'll do another album at that studio later. But it became a fairly much a passion for Mario and Krešo and me to get this finished, capsulized, and it worked pretty good. I really appreciate the blues scene over here. It's one of the things. It's one of the things that keeps me here. I mean, the country's beautiful, and so are the women. You know, the food is good, and so is the beer. But the music is what keeps me here. You know, and I don't know. There's really fine musicians in this country, and I really like the music there.